In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube TV app during your free trial period. Once you've signed up for the free trial on the YouTube TV website or app, download the YouTube TV app on your preferred device. This could be a smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick. After installing the app, log in using the same Google account credentials you used to sign up for the trial. Once logged in, you'll have access to live TV, on-demand content, and the cloud DVR feature, which lets you record shows to watch later. To navigate the app, explore the Home tab for personalized recommendations, the Live tab for current broadcasts, and the Library tab for saved recordings and on-demand shows. You can also use the search bar to find specific channels, shows, or movies. If you're watching sports or live events, take advantage of the pause and rewind features for convenience. Just remember to cancel your subscription before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you use the YouTube TV app during your free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.